Yo, welcome back, you beautiful people. So in this tutorial, I'm going to let you know how you can have a better microphone quality inside the Discord application if you're having some problems with your microphone inside Discord. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the main points and fix your problem. Okay, so this tutorial has 3 different steps that all I'm emphasizing is that please watch the whole video, because one way or another we're going to find a way to fix it. So first off, we're going to just search for control panel, right? Hit enter, open it, and change view by large icons, right? And then under the sound section, what we want to do is that just change the tab to recording and just talk to your microphone. Okay, so as you can see, this is my main microphone. And as a bonus tip, what I suggest you to do is that please consider downloading NVIDIA Broadcast, because NVIDIA Broadcast could make your audio way better. Okay, it has a potential to remove all the noises from your voice in your microphone, and also remove like all the room echo, and it definitely would be beneficial to your voice. Okay, so just hit your microphone and click on properties, and then change the tab to levels. Okay, so at this point my microphone levels are all good, but if I change it, you can see, okay, my microphone, I don't want my voice to shatter into your ears, but you know what I'm saying and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the first method and the first option that you want to check at the first place, right? And then after that, let's just open the Discord app itself. So this is the interface of Discord app. So under the user settings, you just want to click user settings, and then just scroll down a little bit to click on voice and video, right? Okay, so you just want to make sure that input audio is set to 100%, because in some cases it's set to 50% and we did not want it. We want to use the whole potential of our microphone. And then at that point, just scroll down a little bit. Okay, so what I'm suggesting is that do not disable echo cancellation, okay? Let it be as it is. But under noise suppression, definitely change crisp to none if you have problems with your microphone, because it's not going to be possible to reduce all the noises and suppress all the noises without sacrificing your voice, okay? So definitely consider changing it to none, and then I think we should be good. Okay, so for the third method, what we want to do is that you can just straight up search for your motherboard's name, or if you're not on a PC or if you're on a laptop, just straight up search your laptop model, the exact model that has been written on the box of it. Inside the webpage, under the support section, you can just scroll down, because every manufacturer has these websites. Okay, you can just click on driver and tools, select your operating system, and you can straight up download the driver for your audio. Like the audio driver that I have on my motherboard is a Realtek Audio, right? If I just type it, this is a control panel that I can have a control over all my audio settings. And your audio driver might be different, and you definitely want to consider just installing your audio driver. That's like a necessary part to do. Okay, and then if none of these methods work for you, you might want to consider changing your whole microphone, because your problem might be coming from the microphone itself. I try my best to solve your problems and to help you a little bit by these 3 methods and the bonus tips. And if you find any value, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please take care of yourself, and see you in the next video.